Floyd Mayweather is having a lot of fun with Conor McGregor. The boxing legend posted a video on Instagram on Wednesday of Conor tapping out in his first fight against Nate Diaz last March. The video closed with a screenshot of Floyd calling Conor the notorious quitter while touting Mayweather's 49-0 record. And if that wasn't enough, he offered up a reward to fans, saying in the caption, "Caption this, best caption wins $10,000. The winner will be announced on Monday, December 19th. Stay tuned." Earlier this week, Floyd said he would f McGregor up, and he bashed Conor for getting a boxing license in California. While these two will probably never fight each other in real life, their social media battle is only heating up.